In this question, on an open ground, a motorist follows a track that turns to his left by an angle of 60 degrees after every 500 meters. So if the motorist starts from A, AB will be 500 meters. Instead of going straight, he will turn by 60 degrees. Again, he will travel 500 meters BC, then turn by 60 degrees. So 6 times he turn like this, he'll come back to the same point, 360 degrees. It will be like a hexagon. 6 equal pieces joined to form a hexagon. 60 degree turn from the straight direction. Starting from a given turn, specify the displacement of the motorist at the 3rd, 6th and 8th turn. Starting from here, this is the first turn, D. C will be 2nd turn, D will be 3rd turn, E will be 4th, F 5th. Again 6th turn, coming back to the same point. So 1 full round is completed. 7th turn at the same position of 1st turn. 8th turn at the position of 2nd turn. Now AB, BC, all the sides are 500 meters. For a hexagon, the diagonal AD, BE and CF, all diagonals are double the side. So it will be 1000 meters. A hexagon is bounded by 6 equilateral triangles. This is 60. This total angle will be 120. This will be 60, 60 again. So everywhere 60, 60. For an equilateral triangle, sides also will be same. So if this is 500 meters BC, C to the center, B to the center also will be 500 meters. All side and half of the distance to the opposite corner will be all 500 meters. Complete diagonal will be 1000 meters. Now in the first case, 3rd turn, starting from here, 1st turn, 2nd turn, 3rd turn is here. The displacement is shortest distance, which is AD. That will be 1000 meters. Distance will be 1 turn 500, 2 turn 500, 3 turn 1500 meters. So distance 1500 and displacement is 1000 meters. 3rd and 6th turn. 6th turn it come back to the same point. So displacement will be 0. Distance will be 6 turn. 6 into 500 will be 3000 meters. Next is 8th turn. After 6th, 7th is at B, 8th is at C. So the distance will be 1000 more, 2 more 500. Distance will be 4000 meters. Displacement will be straight line AC. So for finding AC, this is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. These diagonals intersect 90 degree. So AC will be AN plus CN, which will be 2 times of AN or 2 times of CN. CNB or BNA is a right triangle, or ONA is a right triangle. Now AN square, which is altitude square, equal to AO square minus ON square. OA is 500 meters. ON is half of 500 meters. It's intersect diagonally half of dividing half. So AN square will be equal to 500 square minus 250 square. 25 4 zeros, 625 2 zeros, 187 500. That's AN square. AN will be root of that. Root of 18,000, 1,87,500. That will be 433.0. That's the displacement. Distance is 4,000 meters. Now comparing the magnitude displacement with total path length. In the first case, distance is 1,500, which is greater than 1,000. Distance is greater than displacement. Comparing, normally check which is greater or the ratio. Here, distance is greater than displacement. The ratio, so this is 1,500 upon 1,000 will be 1.5. Distance upon displacement will be 1.5. That means distance will be 1.5 times of displacement. In the second case also, distance is 3,000, displacement is 0. Distance is greater than displacement. So there is no meaning of comparing because one of the quantity is 0 ratio. You can't compare. You can just say which is greater. The third case also, 4,000 meter distance is greater than displacement 433. Here you can get the ratio. 4,000 by 433 will be 9.23. So distance will be 9.23 times displacement. So all these cases, distance is greater than displacement. Second case, there is no meaning of taking the ratio because one of the quantities 0 in that. For a hexagon, the properties to be learned. Number one, all the sides are equal for a regular hexagon. That will be same as half of the diagonal. Or side, if you multiply by 2, you get the diagonal. A regular hexagon is bounded by 6 equilateral triangles. So center to each vertex is same as a side. All these angles are 60 degrees. Then if you take one side like this, it's a parallelogram with all the 4 sides equal. The diagonals intersect 1:1 ratio. Means both the diagonals intersect half of the other diagonal. And the intersection is at 90 degrees. These properties, if you know, you can solve the question.